Mercedes-Benz has finally revealed its fourth-generation A-Class ahead of the premium hatchback's official public debut at 2018 Geneva International Motor Show in March. Employing design cues first seen on the new CLS, the Stuttgart-based automaker says the W177 Generation A-Class is as youthful and dynamic as ever, but grown up and comfortable like never before. The new A-Class has an extra 30mm in its wheelbase, along with more shoulder room and headroom inside, and easier entry to the rear. At a claimed 370 liters, luggage capacity is 29 liters up on the outgoing model. While 16-inch wheels will be standard equipment, sizes up to 19 inches will be offered. 3 equipment lines, Style, Progressive and AMG line, will be available, while Edition 1, pictured in gray below, derivatives will also be initially offered. As we have already seen, the interior has been completely designed, sporting a freestanding display. 3 versions will be offered, and turbine-look air vents. There's also the brand's fresh Bux multimedia system, which we've also already detailed. In addition, Mercedes says the new A-Class will feature driver assistance functions adopted from the S-Class. So, what's happening under the bonnet? Well, Mercedes-Benz says the range will initially include 3 engine variants. First, there's the A200, which features a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine worth 120 kilowatts and 250 Nm. This unit can be paired with either a new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission or a 6-speed manual gearbox, with respective claimed 0 to 100 km/h times of 8,0 and 8,2 seconds. Next is the A250, which will be available exclusively with the 7-speed dual-clutch box developed further from the transmission used in the outgoing model. This derivative employs a 2.0-liter turbopetrol mill churning out 165 kilowatts and 350 Nm, which is enough for a claimed 0 to 100 km/h time of 6.2 seconds. Lastly, there's the A180D, which makes use of a 1.5-liter turbodiesel engine mated to a new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This unit makes 85 kilowatts and 260 Nm, with a claimed combined fuel consumption of 4.1 liters/100 kilometers and 10.5 seconds. Print to 3 figures. Mercedes-Benz says further new engines will follow, adding that the new A-Class will be available with a permanent all-wheel drive system with fully variable-to-work distribution on request. The brand says there will be a choice of suspension systems for the new A-Class, depending on engine variant and driver preference. All new A-Class derivatives feature McPherson front suspension, while the A250 and all 4MATIC models use a 4-link setup at the rear. The entry-level A200 and A180D models make do with the torsion beam rear arrangement.